Tuesday, 5th of April, 2016. And this, now the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, and Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Now the Ogbonge television program, As It Dey Hot. We dey tell us every weekday from 10 to 11, not turn to Christmas. Sake of say, all the tori where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, chook mouth inside, talk them do anything be for body. Give you license to talk your own so that those who they lead this country go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezeogo Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu where I stay concerned the politics matter as it dey hot.
A beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. We don't carry us the hot. Come again that time as we talk on that program where they at least where they give now up-to-date information about waiting and waiting they happen for Bodo Nigeria. Because this is not the only program we say at least the rich or the average or anybody, anywhere where you like, make it day. That the program where they design for you be this. So that at least you go fit talk about the be for body. So that people where they rule us, where they lead us, go fit know the right direction to take. And once all these issues, we don't table them before then. My name never see change. My name now Unkubi. And this now As It Dey Hot.
So they all na twins. That is to say, 2-in-1 package. Now we carry come. Because our visitor na person when we say, you know they waka anyhow. And once thing come, we go I go speak English, maximize the visit so that we go explore all of the whole questions when they arise from the topic we carry come. Make a break and now make everybody understand. Today, we carry 2-in-1 come. We call the first part, matters arising based on one current issue when we say na tori for inside Obodo Nigeria on top of our headlines. And number 2, we go discuss one when we say everybody from big to small, irrespective of your social status, it dey affect everybody. We go discuss them. And they talk of no other than accomplished visual artist. He is, in fact, I go speak English because PG no Greek carry him. He's a man of many degrees and characters, a man of many parts. He be somebody when we say he do this one finish. But he can't decide, say, no, I will not have peace of mind if I don't do this one. This is indeed my calling. And he play and reach the level when we say, he wear the boots of say, okay, I won't lead this particular country for the party where they call Action Alliance. But based on some kind of things where happen, he can't be like, say, K-leg enter inside the arrangement. But he still stand chim. They look, say, we must move this country forward. As in day like that, if they wake up for sleep as and say, what do you want to do? The thing when go come out for him out now, youth, because he too love youth. And they talk of no other than Oga Akinlami Daniel. Oga Akinlami Daniel, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Thank you, my people. You know, they do well.
Yeah.
We appreciate the fact that as we extend this invitation, give you, even on short notice, you still carry waka enter inside our studio.
We'll be family now.
We'll be family.
So as usual, we get tradition now. We no go, at least we no go allow you escape with our tradition. We normally shake the hands of our guests, and once we don't bring any Ogbonge guests come, whether no Ogbonge anyhow we be, we go just shake in hand. So you're welcome, Oga Akinlami.
Oga Akinlami,
I do well.
welcome to As It Dey Hot.
do well.
We don't go waste time. We go just go straight to our discussion. When we been start, we been talk say we carry 2 important issues come based on 2-in-1. And the first one we call them matters arising based on current affairs when they happen inside Obodo Nigeria. And on Saturday, something happened for inside Lagos. Everybody knows say Saturday now mostly for weddings or Owambe. But this one on another level. The governor of Ekiti State, Peter the Rock Ayodele Fayose, in Nice do wedding for inside Lagos, and he can't invite plenty people come because he talk saying the person when we say in the life people they celebrate with them. But one important visitor when come that wedding, now Dr. Temitope Aluko. And not be say Dr. Temitope Aluko get too head, but based on say some kind things happen when we say plenty Nigerians look say this thing they very very serious and we must address this particular issue. Make I go back to February when we say Dr. Temitope Aluko come out for television, declare live and koro say in there when they share money, when they use rig the June 2014 gubernatorial elections inside Ekiti State. He even accused the person when they say they defend the governor, say that person know they inside the compound of where they share the money, saying they inside the bedroom of where they share the money. I go speak English. A whooping $37 million. Now I mean talk say former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan carry give Ayodele Fayose say when they use rig that election. Now if we check our law book, person when we say don't go for court under oath testify something. Come and talk say when I go court or under oath I lie. Now what people they call perjury. But till date nothing don't come out of the case, and they show to full Nigerians say Ayodele Fayose and Dr. Temitope Aluko, they don't settle. Say he's my boy, he's my brother, I'm his father, he's my son. It's a misunderstanding, it's a family matter. We are moving forward. People come they ask, say, he be like say the jollof when they serve for that wedding, them instead of make them put time. Now another thing won't be like time. You understand?
Yes.
Now in they put inside. Or the small chops when they put the atarodo when they use do that small chops, he don't enter.
Invented,
Now you go address this particular issue because you sabi them.
I think the Tory way they come out from Ekiti, na sad one. And if we not do something today, these people will drag this country back. This is the man that came out
on national TV,
on national TV
everywhere.
The records are still there, the videos are there. Everything he came out to talk. Some of the people we mentioned, some of them don't face panel. Some of them don't face disciplinary actions. Even the one with the inside the army.
Brigadier General Ali Umomo.
And some other ones, AFCC, DSS, don't open their file. But I think at this point, we need to really look at what is going on in this country. I'm particularly going to focus on Southwest now, the Southwest politics.
Okay.
Because this is a sad development where people have been bearing all sorts of things coming out of Ekiti. When you talk about the stomach infrastructure, all sorts of things, all sorts of products that Fayose has produced out of Ekiti. But this is the worst scenario that you should see in a democracy. God, this matter where they ground now, wait till I see be say, people no get value, no get shame again. And if country get to this level, where people no shame, then go do something way bad, then go clean out sharp, say, na normal thing. I talk am, but we don't resolve am for family affair. Then we need to do something drastic. That's why I know if you blame people where they talk, say, as we they go, you sure say we don't need revolution, be? But with these kind of leaders, there's no future. No future for Southwest, no future for Nigeria. These kind of leaders. Tomorrow now, you hear that Tope Aluko has been given appointments. Either as the SA to Fayose, or he has got another appointment inside PDP. You know, now they are trying to reshuffle PDP now.
To restructure.
So, if he even puts him back in the academic world. But where are we heading to? This is a serious crisis.
But
we have serious moral crisis, and it's confronting us now.
We don't establish the fact that yes, something don't do on ground. We were supposed to do it. We were supposed to tackle. Okay, the issue of them say I come and say person take lie under oath. Come later come and talk say that thing when you be lie you say you be like a slip of tongue. Maybe
you chop too much alcohol.
So why wait, so let's say you might call the draw. Now you make him sleep talk that time. May I come bring her from this angle. If this issue don't become issue, we say it don't they open. Every Nigerian don't see him. It don't even enter national level.
Of course.
The likes of DSS don't carry this man, interrogate. He still talk the same way he talk, he no different. Okay, we can't say okay, you don't lie under oath. Come out, talk say that way you talk. You know, wait till it say the judiciary on their own part because this don't pass beyond say na one issue. The people were supposed to say they won't follow up on this thing after it don't even make attempt to make them follow up. Waiting they're supposed to do now because make the story no end there. No, the actual make no end there. Say because they don't settle. The law is the law. The law has been stated that what should the law do? Now the question.
You see, I watched the video over and over again yesterday. You know, there's this thing where we call conscience. Otman Danfodio said it. He said it's an open truth. As then they showed the man, they put microphone for him mouth, say, wetin happen to all the thing where he don't talk few weeks ago? This man no fit say anything. He just they do shy, they put eye for corner. I said, how do we still get these kind of people inside Nigerian politics? All they know now where belle face. Where food go come out. So if they think say can fool Nigerians come on national TV, do drama finish to go get a settlement from Fayose.
So if it's not there go end abi?
It's not possible. I think by now DSS should invite this man
again.
he reconcile, no reconcile with Fayose, no concern Nigeria.
But he said DSS.
The thing wey don talk,
Uh-huh.
he must account for those information.
But since DSS don't be invited initially, I would don't hear say okay, make court and intervene. Why they never still follow? Why we say it just be like say once we don't look into open one particular issue, we just be like say we'll take small break from that issue, or maybe from that taking break we just take one kind of gradual backsliding, the slide go back until that case go become a forgotten case. DSS don't be invite this man before. What did make DSS or people wey dey in charge no follow up this same matter immediately, making them not allow am code?
See, this matter wey dey ground, this matter dey hand of DSS, this matter dey hand of Nigerian police, this same matter also dey hand of the electoral offenders.
Yes, offenders.
Now,
yes.
this man don use his mouth talk say he be accomplice. Now, if Fayose get immunity, no immunity cover this man. He was partner in the Ekiti crime, the rigging of the election. He was a partner in that crime. So there should be nothing to delay DSS or every other government agency to do what is right.
Very true.
To take this man to court, let him face justice. Now, it's not enough for the general to be suddenly retired and some other people are picked. This man must be brought to book because he used his own mouth to confess that he was an accomplice. So, as the matter there now, we need to keep talking until sense come to these people's head.
Very, very true.
We must not give up. If they think they want to turn this country upside down, we will be people. We fool for ground, we there for this country. We must never give up.
Very, very true.
So this matter now, not be only Tope Aluko, they plenty, they dey everywhere. They dey inside APC. They dey inside PDP. But let's start with one first.
Very true.
They use them for example as a scapegoat.
Very true. Oga Akinlami Daniel, you don't talk well on this particular issue. You be raise the point, say, we get urgent moral crisis when we suppose address. And you don't already talk now, say, this kind of people, when they're inside our system, it not be just one political party, it cuts across party affiliation. And if we really get shame for this country, or we be society where we say we dey uphold morals, now we say this kind of people, they must face the music. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside market. You don't finish talk for this matter. When we go the market, come back, we will come face the issue of the lingering fuels crisis, whether this scarcity it get end or whether not to be continued. No go anywhere. Now I see the hot on top of Wazobia Max and Wazobia TV. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.